This is a follow-up video to our popular Everything You Need to Know to Start Your Own Seal Coating business video. A lot of you have been asking about seal coating at night, so we wanted to dedicate an entire video to this. This is for you guys. Before we begin, we want to thank our sponsor for the video, HeavyApe.com. Right now, they're giving away a free kit to help you win more seal coating projects and build a construction business that generates millions per year. Click the link in the description below. Now, back to the video. Why offer seal coating at night? Before we get into specific tips, let's quickly cover why seal coating might need to be performed at night. There's three key reasons to offer it at night: customer convenience, business expansion, and potentially higher rates. Customer convenience. For many businesses, it's just simply more convenient to have seal coating done at night when the parking lot's empty. Restaurants, government buildings, and many office buildings are empty or nearly empty at night. Business expansion. You can expand your seal coating business by using multiple crews to work around the clock during both day and night. A homeowner typically prefers to have seal coating work done during the day. Even if they work from home, it's not too difficult to move a couple of cars out of the driveway. But it's often the opposite scenario for a commercial business like office buildings and public schools. For those types of commercial clients, people and vehicles do not have to be actively cleared from the area at night. Higher rates. Providing customers with the convenience of seal coating at night may allow you to offer a premium on the service. Pricing's always set by what the market would bear, but some clients may be willing to pay a higher rate to avoid the hassle of clearing and cordoning off parking lots or closing a road during normal business hours. Pros and cons of seal coating at night. Depending on where you do business and the time of year, seal coating at night or during the day each offer their own pros and cons. Temperature. The ideal temperature for seal coating is 55 degrees and rising, with no rain forecasted for at least 24 hours. The temperature should not drop below 50 degrees to ensure the seal coating dries properly. Depending on where you do business, it may be too hot during the day, above 95 degrees, for the seal coat to properly adhere to the pavement. Excessive heat will melt the seal coat. That's where seal coating at night can actually be an advantage. Humidity. Humidity affects drying time. The ideal humidity for seal coating is 60% or less. In humid climates like in the southern United States, humidity is typically lower at night. Lighting. You can't just start spraying the asphalt with seal coat. You have to be able to see well enough to remove oil stains, sweep up debris, and fill cracks. The edges of the area require some detail work, usually brushes or rollers. Daylight is the best light, but there's several ways to adequately illuminate the work area at night, such as running tower lighting, connecting a power inverter to a truck battery and using halogen lights, mounting halogen lights on the back of the seal coating rig and running them off the engine. Commercial parking lots may have enough lighting available, but be sure the lights are left on, and if they're on a timer, they've disabled it. It's a good idea to have a night manager or business owner meet you at the job site, or be readily available to handle any lighting issue immediately. It's even a better idea to also have backup lighting available. Additives. The main reason to use additives in your nighttime seal coat mixture is to speed up the drying time. Some trusted brands include GemSeal's Rapid Set Additive, which can reduce drying time and durability. Asphalt Kingdom's FSA, or Fast Sealing Additive. They advertise this product will reduce drying time by at least 50%, and it's compatible with all sealing brands. SealMaster has an interesting product called Fast Dry, FASSDRI, based on advanced nanocure technology that claims incredibly fast drying time in as little as 30 minutes. They do note there's many variables that can increase the drying time, so we recommend you contact the company and do some testing before you put it in your nighttime seal coating process. Well, do you like what you see so far? We'd really appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you'll know whenever we drop a new video. Now, let's get back to the video. Here are 7 tips for seal coating at night. When it comes to specific tips, here are 7 we recommend for seal coating at night. Number 1 is to be organized. Make sure you have everything you need to finish the job. It's easy to pop out to a store during the day, but it's highly unlikely you're going to find anybody open after midnight that carries seal coating products. Number 2 is a proven process. Don't start seal coating at night until you have a proven process down pat during daylight hours. Number 3, high quality additives. Never cheap out on additives used for quick drying of the seal coat. You want to make sure they're effective before you use them for nighttime work. Number 4, a backup plan. Always have a backup plan for lighting, seal coating equipment breakdowns, materials, and staffing issues, like someone on your nighttime crew getting sick. Number 5, a daytime walkthrough. Always walk the site during the day. Take photos, videos, map out the job for the nighttime crew. Even with excellent lighting, the asphalt always looks different in artificial light compared to daylight. Number 6, keep it clean. Watch out for things that can go bump in the night, like rocks and other debris. That's where the adequate lighting really shines. Number 7, check the weather. In most places, the weather can change on a dime. Double check the weather forecast right before the job, and when you're in doubt, reschedule. And good luck out there. Again, we want to thank our sponsor for the video, HeavyApe.com. You want to win more paving projects? You want to build a construction business that generates millions per year? Then visit HeavyApe.com. Hey, thanks for sticking with us to the end of the video, and we're going to give you a 25% coupon code off the Heavy Ape course. Just enter in E&C, spell it out, E-A-N-D-C, when you're checking out. Thanks. Well, that's all we have for now. And be sure and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video guide.